So it's pouring down outside, as you can hear. So I've given the kids a little treat. They're having furry friends, and this one is a kiwi, and this little furry friend is a Tasmanian devil, and this one is an echidna. That's my favourite, Joy. You got my favourite. Happy faces! Happy faces! So as we've got a storm, I can't get anybody to sleep. So I've had to put little Hope Kim into my bed. So she's asleep in my bed. The dog's asleep in my bed. And there she is, just sleeping away. She's finally asleep. And I'll show you where the other ones are. And this little button's finally asleep. Aren't you, darling? You're all right, Daisy. Daisy's fast asleep.